Outstanding design defines the 2005 Porsche 911. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has less than 45,000 miles. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Porsche prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, rain-sensing wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Porsche ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.